It's 9 degrees outside, so I'm finding things to do inside today. So, oh, there it is. Yeah, yeah. The Fujitsu, we had this put into each of the bedrooms. They really help. Uh, that way, you have backup heat and air condition. So, but what I'm going to do today, I don't know if you can see this. This is one of the bedrooms, and it has a shop light. Isn't it nice? And it doesn't work. The bulbs are shut. So I'm going to take this down. I've been wanting to take it down for a while, so that's the first thing. I'm going to take that down, and I have a light for in here. So I haven't decided whether we're going to put the fan. I'm going to probably have to hang the light from here. I don't know. And replace the fan right there. But one thing, I haven't been up in here in a while, and I just noticed it looks like a clown exploded up here. So I have some sweeping to do. So I'm going to, once I repair this and take that down or whatever, I already did change all the fire alert system. When I moved in, there was none. So I was able to put them in here. I guess they figured if the house was going to burn down, it would probably look better. So, like I said, let me clean this up. Like I said, I'm going to clean this up. I have to fix this. I have to push that back through the wall and hook it up so that the not fiber, but the what is it, RG6, the cable for the cabling goes all the way down to the garage. Yeah, so I'm planning on fixing those so they work, and then putting the floor down. So I have all the stuff down there. That room, yeah. So I have everything down here ready to go to put the floor in. Oh yeah, there was my beehives. There's my beehives right there. So, yeah. So once in the spring, I'm gonna put them out and try to see if I can get some honey. So, other than that, you all have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time when this is down. Other than that, you all have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time when this is down.